Hi, English 101 students. Congrats on making it to almost the end of the semester. It's the last week of classes, and all that's left now are your revisions and your cover letter. So this video is meant to go over some of those basic expectations to review the information that you already have been given in other videos and assignments. I just want to make sure a few things are really clear. You will see this long announcement with a lot of detail in it. I want you to read that over really carefully. These are the things you already should have done. The videos that I've posted on the portfolio and revision strategies are really, really important. Hopefully by now you've made a lot of progress on the short essay and started the long essay too. Remember that you should start with essay level issues and paragraph level issues. In other words, start with content and structure. And once all those things are in place, you can work your way down to sentence level things. And remember, you should definitely be responding to the feedback in your essays. For each of you, I gave you suggestions for revising your paper. And so when I start reading your revised versions, I'm going to be looking to see if you've addressed those comments. Remember that responding to reader feedback is part of what you're being graded on here. So that means if there are any comments that I made or suggestions that you don't understand or even that you don't agree with, we should have a conversation about that. That would be a great reason to set up an appointment. I've put the link down here for you to schedule a virtual conference, or you can email me if it's a smaller issue. Okay? So again, make sure that you are addressing the suggestions that I provided at the end of the essay and also in the margins. So the portfolio is due Friday night. It would help me a lot if you could get it in on Friday night. If for some reason you need more time, though, make sure that you ask me for an extension. I realize that this is an unusual semester with some pretty big obstacles for some of you. So just let me know so that I can plan my revisions, or my grading, I should say. I will need to get my grades in. Speaking of grading, when you see your graded papers, you'll see that I won't be making nearly as many comments on these papers since you won't be revising. So you can expect much briefer feedback on the portfolio versions. Okay, here is another bonus point opportunity if you want more points in the informal category, or if you want to be in touch with me about your revisions this week, feel free to use this opportunity by Wednesday. All right, on the bottom of this announcement, I have listed some of the resources that you've had in D2L. Most of these have been here all semester, although I've provided a couple of new things. This morning I posted a new video under about transitions. It's posted under syllabus and other essentials. And also under grammar, punctuation, and proofreading, I posted a quick punctuation review video. So take a look at both of those things. Let's go to content real quick. Again, so under content, you'll find things like the nuts and bolts handout that will have a lot of information you'll need. You'll find transition stuff, my video I mentioned. This chapter on using quotation sandwiches is really great. There's more on quotation sandwiches here. There's sample works cited lists here, how to do hanging indent. If you go to grammar, punctuation, and proofreading practice, you'll see the video I referred to earlier, as well as a few other resources. And of course, you already know about this, where the videos that you were supposed to have watched a week or two ago are posted for you. The video on transitions is here again, other revision resources. Okay, so take a look at these things. Let me know if you have any questions. I want you to know that I'm here to help with those things, and I'm rooting for you. It's always really gratifying for me to read revised papers at the end of the semester and see how far students' writing has come. So I'm looking forward to seeing how much you've grown as a writer and a student. I'll be cheering you on. Let me know how I can help.